Let's fill out the Montana Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Both the buyer and the seller need to sign the title in front of a notary public, so make sure you schedule that notary appointment before you finalize anything. The person signing as the buyer must be the same buyer whose name is written on the title, so double-check that everything matches up exactly. When you fill out the title, every single field must be completed in blue or black ink only. No pencil, no other colors, just blue or black ink throughout. If the vehicle is newer than 9 years old, the mileage must be disclosed, so have that odometer reading ready to go. You will need to complete the transfer within 40 days of the sale date, so don't let that deadline sneak up on you. And if there is a lien or a security interest on the vehicle, that must be fully released before the sale can happen. So contact your lender ahead of time to get that taken care of. Get the official form here. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.